This is higher homework 9 and we're going to do question number 1. Okay, I have to find the remainder on dividing this polynomial by this factor, and the factor is x plus 3. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find the root that I'm going to use in synthetic division to try to divide out this polynomial. So what I'll start with is I've got the factor which is x plus 3. Okay, I'm going to make that equal to 0 just so I can work out the root. So that's the number that I'm going to be dividing by, the minus 3. I'm going to set up the polynomial into the synthetic division. First of all, I'll put the minus 3 on the outside, and then what I'll do is I'll just set up a division setup like that there. What I'll do is I'll fire in I'm going to write this out in full first of all so you can see what I'm actually doing. So what I'll do is I'll take the coefficient of x to the power of 4, so I'll take a 2 into here. I'm looking here, I don't have x to the power of 3, so I'm going to put that in as a 0. I'm going to then take a minus 4 for the x to the power of 2. I've got a 3 here for the x's on their own, and just the number value, that's a minus 2 that's sitting there. Okay, so that's me set up to go. Just be very careful with this 0 that should appear in there because I don't have an x cubed power, an x cubed coefficient from this one here. Right then, so let's start the division. I'll bring this 2 down, so the 2 goes to the bottom. Multiply here, which will give me a minus 6. Add these together or gather them up, minus 6. I'll then multiply minus 3 times minus 6, which will give me 18 as a positive number. And gathering them together, these two give me 14. 14 times minus 3 will give me minus 42. Gathering these up together, minus 39. Multiplying minus 39 by minus 3, that should give me, that'll be a positive number, and it'll be 117. And then gathering these together gives me 115. And that's me finished the division. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to block this part off at the end here, and I'm going to just say that there is my remainder. Okay, so I'll just state the remainder. Remainder equals 115, and that's the answer to this question. Let's see how we mark it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you 1 mark for setting this up. So it's a full mark for just setting this part up with the synthetic division from there. So that's 1 mark. I'll give you 1 more mark just for stating the remainder, working it through and getting the remainder. So this question here will be marked out of 2.